Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video I'm going to show you a few minimalistic bullet journal layouts. So I know a lot of people who find it really difficult to maintain and stick to a bullet journal as they get incredibly wrapped up in the design. I myself find it hard sometimes to think of layouts for my monthly bullet journals. And so today I'm going to make a few minimal layout designs that are really easy to make and maintain. Also, you don't really need a lot of expensive supplies to maintain a bullet journal. All you need is a book and a pen. I'm using a Pigma Micron pen for this video. It's worth around 100 rupees, but it's a good investment as it's really smooth and does not smudge. It also lasts way longer than any normal pen. Having said that, I do believe you can use any pen, just make sure you're comfortable using it. Anyway, let's get started. So these are all the layout designs. Now let's go through all the pages. So this first page is a title page and it's a really simple design. The second page has a month at a glance and goals for the month list. And the other side is the monthly overview. Moving on, we have a habit and mood tracker. I just cross off the days for my habit tracker, and for the mood tracker I decided to make a line graph. This next layout is one of my favorites. On the left page, I made a wish list with two sections, want and need. It's kind of similar to the productivity matrix, but I like this better. I write down all the things that are important but not urgent under the want section, and all the things that are important and urgent under the need section. On the right page, I made a brain dump layout so I can write down all my thoughts. Moving on to the weekly log. This is the spread that I really like. It's simple and leaves enough room for all your weekly tasks. Alright you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. My social media links are down below, so check them out as well. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!